Participatory video is a method of film production in which a group of people make a film together to visualise and examine an issue that is important to them. Remote participatory video is a variation of participatory video in which the process is facilitated online. Both are powerful tools for research, knowledge sharing, monitoring, evaluation, accountability and learning. The participants are all fundamentally involved in every stage and aspect of the filmmaking process and production, from script to screen.
The aim is to develop communication and cooperation, to provide a platform for unheard voices to share their stories, to build capacity and promote positive behaviour change, to use participatory learning methods to inform and educate, and empower all those involved. It does this by using an unfiltered, subjective and qualitative approach. Learning feedback loops such as reviews, discussions and screenings are involved at every step to ensure a positive outcome. Participants choose what is filmed, why it is filmed, who is filmed, how it's edited, and when and where it is published.
Unlike conventional filmmaking methods, remote participatory video makes the process part of the research. It is inclusive with a team that is horizontally structured. Technical knowledge is shared with participants. It favours widely and easily accessible equipment such as smartphones over expensive cameras. It is not about making a film with the highest quality. It is about a process where people can learn, discover new things and gain insights which they would not gain with regular or traditional research methods. Communities film themselves, which can allow access and honesty that external camera crews cannot get. As it is done remotely, through various online platforms and other information communication technology, it avoids unnecessary travel. Its target audience can often be intentionally specific to increase the impact of the message, and because the film is made by people involved with the subject, it avoids subconscious biases found in other filmmaking processes. It can raise awareness of issues and create networks of support. It can effectively communicate with senior management, donors, government officials and other groups of people, and it could even spark global grassroots movements.
Remote participatory video captures what written reports, surveys, questionnaires and bar charts fail to communicate. It inspires individual, communal and international development by listening to, capturing and presenting the human stories and voices of people.